Hello, my name is Ricardo Villa and I am a university assistant at the Department for Architecture Theory and Philosophy of Techniques here too. And this semester, alongside with my colleague Chris Arguelles, I will be teaching the Architecture Theory seminar.
Hi, I'm Chris, and as Ricardo just said, we will be teaching this course together. I'm very excited to make this presentation for you, and hopefully you will like to join us.
The topic of this semester is on Hypomnemata, on affective optics and impersonal vision.
The reason why we came up with this title on Hypomnemata came through the reading of a text by Michel Foucault in which he discusses this idea of subjectivity and truth. And the Hypomnemata, I'm following the reading of the quote where he introduces this term, constituted a material memory for the things read, heard, or thought, thus offering this as an accumulated treasure for rereading and later meditation. So in this seminar, we really want to deal with accumulated treasure of rereading and later meditation as the point in which you will have to develop your seminar papers. The text follows, so this Hypomnemata also formed the raw material for the writing of more systematic treatises in which we're giving arguments and means by which to struggle against some defect or to overcome some difficult circumstance. So the seminar wants to deal with this, let's say, difficult circumstances of the status of images.
The topic will be about images, but images not as something objective nor subjective necessarily. So it's on the autonomy of images, on something which is on thinking of images as autonomously from these two poles. And here is where, let's say, the topic, like this kind of word that we chose for the title of the seminar steps in. Also, Hypomnemata is a kind of material memory. So something, a memory, so something, let's say, in a way that could be considered as subjective, but it's nevertheless material. So it's external to an individual mind. So it's somehow disembodied. So this is somehow how we declinated the two other, like the subtitles in this couple of the impersonal vision and of the affective optics. So of the affective optics. So impersonal vision is something related to an organ but still disembodied, and the affective optics is something which is a physics and a mechanics. So something that one could think of as objective. But which at the same time is concerned with passion and feeling, so something that would be more related to a subjective pole.
Okay, so this is the topics that we will be investigating, and the how, it's every week we will be having some readings that you will have to prepare. They're already shortlisted on the TIS page, so you can get familiar with some of the bibliography. There will be also some additional readings that will be not mandatory, but that kind of will broaden and somehow also build the confidence for you to develop the topic on your seminar papers.
The way the course will be held is in a hybrid mode, so this means that ideally we would do it in presence, but depending on, of course, on the conditions of the time, this could also be made via Zoom.
So for the presence meeting, we will be gathering at the seminar room in the ATDP, and we will be doing so weekly every Wednesday from 10 till 1 p.m.
And so we're looking forward to seeing you at the first meeting, which will be held on the 9th of March at 10 p.m. See you.
We look forward to see you, and thank you for watching.